Obožavam hrvatsku nogometnu reprezentaciju, a pojas bi volio braniti u Hrvatskoj. Otkrio je to u intervjuu za RTL Stipe Miocic, UFC-ov prvak hrvatskih korijena koji je danas stigao u Zagreb. S vatrogascem koji svoje pobjede posvećuje Clevelandu i Hrvatskoj razgovarao je Boris Jovičić.
Veliki UFC-ov prvak Stipe Miocic ponovno na hrvatskom tlu. Baš kao što je i najavio prije koji dan, nakon 2 godine zov domovine bio je prejak, a sada kada je pojas prvaka tu, treba ga pokazati i hrvatskim navijačima.
Can we say that Croatia has UFC World Heavyweight Champion?
Yes, we can. Yes, we can. It's amazing. I'm so happy to be back.
Otkrio je Miocic zašto su mu upravo Hrvati velika motivacija.
You know, everyone's so hardworking. You know, they love what they do and you know, they cherish, you know, they don't take it for granted. They work hard at everything they do, and that's where I learned it from. I love it, you know, I love being Croatian.
A još jednu besanu noć Hrvatska bi mogla provesti početkom proljeća kada Stipe brani naslov.
Probably either Kane or Verdum. They're fighting New Year's Eve weekend, so we'll see.
And which one do you favor?
I don't care. Whoever it is, I'll be fine.
Više nego dobro bilo bi kada bi Stipe pojas branio u Hrvatskoj. Imali želju?
Yeah, listen, I'm down. I would love it. I'll be amazing.
So are there any talks maybe about having your defense of the title here?
No, I haven't heard anything yet. So they'll let me know here soon what's going on, what they're thinking and what they want me to do.
I tako bar još 6 godina, poručio je Stipe koji se ne vidi skoro u mirovini.
As long as I can. Till my body holds up and I don't feel old. I'm keeping the belt for a long time, I promise you that.
A nakon obećanja uslijedilo i priznanje. Bez velikog mu uzora Mirka Filipovića ne bi bilo isto.
Oh, I love that guy. I can't wait to see him tomorrow. He's an amazing man. He's just a good guy, you know. We have great conversations and he would just tell me things I needed to hear, you know.
Uz Filipovića Miocic ima prijatelje u nogometnoj reprezentaciji, čiji je poraz na Euru teško prebolio.
We lost to Portugal. I was so heartbroken. Oh my God, I was so heartbroken. It was a rough day. But you know, I just love watching them play. They're so good. You know, they're just animals.
Uslijedilo je ono najteže pitanje. Sada kada je u braku, koga se više boji? Svoje žene Ryan ili ulaska u oktogon?
Ryan, not doing my chores. That's funny. How does he know that?
Why?
Oh, she just because she's awesome. She gets mad at me because like she does so much chores and I forget to do something. She's like, really?
I za kraj pitali smo Stipu ima li još kakvih želja do kraja karijere. Odgovor nije bilo teško pogoditi.
Yeah, stay the champ for a long time.